Hey, how's everybody doing? I hope so far so good. Today we're gonna talk about one of the best indicators that you can use also. Last time we were talking about the moving average. Today we're gonna talk about MACD. MACD is one of the best indicators that you can use in your chart. So before we get there, just do me a favor. If you haven't been subscribe to our channel, like and share because we give you great technical analysis. Now, how to use the MACD? For instance, when you go to your trading view, by the way, we offer trading view. We have a class that we offer people, those who don't know how to use trading view, because trading view is a great app that you can use. So click on the link down there. You can use my code because there's a discount by using my code. So you're not gonna pay that much monthly, because if you're gonna trade, you need this platform, this app. Now, I will put the link there for you. Also, and how to use MACD. First, let's you go to your indicators there. You click on it and you look for moving average convergence divergence. That's called MCD. We call it MACD. MACD. So that means moving average convergence divergence. You click on it and it's already been added to your chart. You see, it's added to your chart. So, so MACD has two lines. Two lines. It has what you call the MACD line and the signal line. So we have what you call the MACD line and the signal line, which is the MACD line, MACD, which is the MACD line, and we have what you call the signal line. The signal line. Signal line. Now, the signal line is the one that's the MACD line, for instance. Whenever the MACD line crosses above the signal line, the stock is bullish. Remember, we have what you call in the stock market, we have what you call bullish and bearish. We have bullish versus bearish. So we have what you call bearish and bullish. So I just told you, MACD line has two lines. Is the first one is the MACD line, and the signal line. So it works. So the MACD line, whenever the MACD line is crossing above the signal line, stock is bullish. As I just told you, we have what you call bullish. We have what you call bullish, and we have what you call bearish. So whenever the MACD line is above the signal line, the stock is bullish. Whereas whenever now the signal line is crossed above the MACD line, the stock is bearish. So as you can see there, we have the blue line, which is the MACD line down there. Let me put it for you. I can just move it above if you want to see better. So you can have a better see. So whenever you add your MACD line, it adds to your chart. So the MACD line is the blue line, this one, and the signal line is the orange line. So whenever the MACD line is above, for instance, you got the blue line is above, you see it's green here. That's it. Because that's Instagram. So is there. That means stock is bullish. And now you see the stock has been bullish. And you can see, let me just move it for you. See, you can see there, stock is bullish here because you can see there, stock has been bullish screen. Now, you see, stock been going bullish all that the way here because the blue line is still above, which is the blue line. Stock is being bullish. So as soon as you see the orange line, which is the signal line, cross now above the MACD line, start getting down. Let me go back. Let me just erase everything for you so you can understand. Let's just make it a little better for you again. Now, I'm going to put the MACD in the bottom so you have a better view. I told you again, whenever you need to use MACD, you go to your indicators. And as I told you, we just add the class for you how to use TradingView. We teach you how to use the whole tools that you see there. Now, you add your MACD. It's already been plotted to your chart. It's MACD there, down there. That's the best place to be. I was putting above so you can see, but now that's the best place to put it in the bottom. So I can use the difference in the chart. And then now, I told you, we have two lines, which is, we got the MACD line, which is the blue line, and we have the signal line, which is the orange line. So it works. So whenever the MACD line, which is this one, we have MACD line, which is the MACD line, the MACD, the MACD line, and we have here the signal line, which is the orange line, the signal line. Now, how it works. So whenever the MACD line is above the signal line, the stock is bullish. As you can see there, MACD line is above. And you can see from there, stock is going up. And you see the green. You see, stock has been going up there because you see from there, MACD line, the blue line, has been stayed above. See? And the stock still going up. So as soon as, if you're gonna sell, as soon as you see the MACD line now, the signal line has been crossing now above because there's a switch, it cross above. As soon as you see the signal line cross above, stock gonna go bearish. See? It's going bearish. And you see, it's going bearish because signal line cross. Let's just move to see where it has been crossed. You see, back here, the MACD line, the signal line has been crossing above. Whenever the orange line is crossing above, stock is bearish. As you can see there, see, stock is going down only here. You see, from there, if you put the line here, you see from there, the MACD line, let me put this in here, see, the MACD line, the signal line is above the MACD line. See, the red line, see, the red line there is above the blue line. So stock is being bearish. That's the way you're watching it. So, and see, and then you're gonna move further. You're gonna see. I'll just give you the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. You see back here. Now back here. See, the blue line is above, which is the MACD line. And you see the stock is going bullish because MACD line is above. As soon as you see a switch, you watch it. You just That's all we're gonna do because we do that for the beginner. We're just gonna go step by step. Later, we don't need to confuse you. So you see, you can do your practice if you want to. See, there, MACD line. MACD line is above, which is the blue line. Stock is a little bit going up. See? And from there, it's crossing. See, whenever the stock is flat, we call that sideways. That's a bearish for the stock. See? And now, MACD signal line is above, which is the orange line. Stock is bearish. I'm just teaching you how to identify the MACD line and the signal line in the stock. Back there, you see? The MACD line is above. Start here. See the, as soon as you see the green candle, it's about to go in up. That's you can buy. That's the way you buy and sell. And then if you bought here, for instance, if you buy here, you put a B there, you buy back there. As soon as you see the blue line cross above, you can buy there. And then you wait because the blue line still stay. As soon as you see the blue line still above the signal line, that means stock is going, you see? It's there. And stock is going up. And the green line, the blue line, which is the signal line, still above. And then you watch it. And as soon as you see the red line was there, and you see the signal line is about to cross now there. From there, the signal line is crossing above the blue line. That means it's not going to go down. And you sell, you just sell there because stock signal line is crossing above. And you see, start going down. So this is going down. That's the way you identify. Just do me a favor. If you like this video until now, subscribe, like, and share. Just don't forget to subscribe under this channel. We need to get higher now because I'm giving you some good stuff. Now, last time we were talking about the 9 moving average. Today, we're talking about MACD. In the next video, we're going to talk about something else. I'm just giving you some technical analysis, how to identify those indicators in your chart, how to plot them, how to use them. All right, so let's just move further. I'm just going to give you how that works. From there, see, you see again, blue line cross above. See, if you put the green line in, from there you can make your purchase there, you buy, and stock MACD is still going up. The blue line being above, and stock was above there. See, and then you can sell back there for people that's, if you trade, I'm talking about people that's trading. And then the big red candle, you can sell back there. If you put there, you're gonna see where stock start going down because signal line is crossing now above the MACD line, the orange line. You see, stock is down and is going down here. Let's just move further. I'm just teaching you. I'm just showing you how you can identify them. Back there, the last thing, back there, again, we have here the red line here, and you got the orange line cross above the blue line. You got you use just those two lines always, the MACD line and the signal line. As soon as the MACD line is crossing, the signal line, stock is bullish. So when now the signal line crossing now above the MACD line, stock is going down. That's the way. And then you see now the signal line, which is the orange line, crossing above. And you see stock going down here. You see orange line is still above the blue line. You see orange line is above the blue line. And you see the stock is going down here. All right. So let's move further. Let's go further to see. I'm gonna show you now. See, from there again, you see, the stock has been going up here. For instance, it's been going up there. You can buy. As soon as you see, you can even buy there. As soon as you see back there, let me just move it closer for you so you can see it. As soon as you see there, as soon as you see there, it's crossed because see, it's crossed. The MACD line, the blue line is crossed there. And you can place your buy there. And you can wait. You can do a B there. You just buy there. See? Because MACD line blue is crossing above. And then as soon as the MACD line is still above, we can stay in this in the trade. Okay, see, start going up there. And you've been watching it now, and then now you see a switch there. See, and then from there, you see MACD line, the signal line now is crossing above MACD line. You can start sell from there, from that candle here. You sell because signal line, the orange line now is been above the MACD line, you see? And the stock is going down. My friend, if you like this video, do me a favor, subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to subscribe also. And not only that, we're gonna put a link for you because TradingView is one of the best platforms to use. And there's a fee that you pay every month to use it. It's cheap, I think $19. But what I will do for you, I will add my link there, click there. And with that link, you're gonna pay less than $19 because I have a 15% I can give you by using my code. So if you like this video, just do me a favor, share it, like, and subscribe. We will be there for you next time. Thank you. It was Harry. We're gonna keep in touch. Bye-bye. See you next time, and God bless you.